And here we are again, another update, and something that you would call a dead end. Why? Because first the update. I've assembled all the structures here for the suitcases that the bike has at the rear. Also the seat support, everything, and bits of the front suspension. Also, I've finished the wheel using the for the tire wall here. I used the technique that I've showed you earlier, so it is also finished and ready to go in place. But then I've hit the that dead end I was talking about. If you remember, I've said something about the decals that were a concern to me, and my fears came true, and this is what I have. If you can see, it's completely destroyed, and there's really nothing I can do about it, because the moment it touched the water, it just started ripping apart and dissolving, and lots and lots of things that you don't want to happen. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to strip this part and the rear fender too, and I'm going to do some kind of custom paint job. It's going to be since I've talked to the owner and he gave me the green light to do it like this, so I'm going to paint the bike black, and I'm going to make some try to mimic the livery that the bike has, and with some kind of dark metallic gray, because honestly I've made some contacts to see if I can get a new set of decals, but my hopes are not that high, and this is what I plan to do. I'm going to paint the bike black, as I've said, and make some details here and there from metallic gray, and well, my my motivation right now, it's not at its best, so this is always very, very frustrating, and as I've said, there's nothing I can do about it. Well, so this is it, my update, and I'll just go ahead and strip the paint from these parts to change the body color. So keep tuned, guys, and we'll see the transformation. Okay, forget what I've said about the black bike, because I have thought of another thing, and it was time to try out. So what I did, I've created my new set of decals. I've ordered some decal paper from microscale and arranged the decals with Photoshop, and I've created the new decals for the bikes, so I'll stick to the original color scheme. I have the front fender, which was the part where the decal ruined itself, and now I'm going to use my new set of decals, but first I'm going to give it a coat of this microscale liquid decal film. I've tried, I've made some different decals in another sheet that I've tested, and they work pretty well. So it's time now to try in the Harley what is going to happen, and hopefully I will be able to continue with the original color scheme. So let's get going, and we'll see in the end how it goes. Okay, decal is cutted and sealed with the microscale liquid decal film. So it's time now to put it to the test, and hopefully I'll get through this and move forward with the build. So let's go.